Grayson, I'm all about, wetting the dog with a hose and all that.
Yeah,
but
what was that?
What did we just see?
I don't know. Like, was that a happy package? I wasn't paying attention. All we saw was just this dog getting
I hope
sprayed.
the dog was having fun.
Yeah,
that's all I want to
Can we get some word on that dog, anybody? No, but speaking of getting sprayed in water, I guess, we did have a round of showers and storms move through the area late last night and into early this morning. Some areas missed out on all of this and remained dry, but elsewhere, some areas picked up 1 to even 2 inches of rain. And we've already had some really soggy, saturated grounds from the rain that we got on Sunday. And so we don't need any more water. We need some dry weather. And luckily, we do have some of that dry weather on the way. So looking at satellite and radar, we do have the rain that has now moved off to the east, and we're left behind with that heavy cloud cover. Temperatures right now are sitting pretty warm in the mid and upper 70s across the area. And taking a look at dew points. So we do have a cold front that is sitting right over the state right now. And ahead of it, you can see we have these higher dew points in the lower 70s. So it's feeling warm and muggy ahead of that front. But behind it, we have dew points even in the upper 50s and lower 60s right now. So feeling very nice and comfortable behind it. And once that front moves through later today, we have some cooler and a lot nicer weather expected, not only for the rest of the day today, but as we head through the next few days here. But for the rest of the day today, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will rise only into those lower 80s. And then once that front moves through, it'll take the cloud cover, the rain chances along with it, and we'll start to bring in that cooler, drier air from the north. So here's that front that'll move through this afternoon. As it does move through, we could see a few spotty, isolated showers pop up, but chances for that are pretty low. So we'll have the clouds starting to move out as we head through the overnight hours. We'll wake up to a very nice feeling, kind of crisp morning tomorrow. We'll have clear skies, sunshine through the day. High pressure will start to build in. We'll have that drier weather. Winds will be coming in out of the north. So it's going to be a very nice, comfortable day. Temperatures will only rise to around 80 degrees. Humidity will be lower too. But then as we head into Thursday, winds switch back out of the south. That warmer air starts to replace that cooler air. So the heat and the humidity will be returning as we head towards the end of the week. Here's another look at that. So today, like I said, it's going to be a little bit muggy. We'll have slightly warmer temperatures. Dew points will rise into those lower 70s, but then the winds are really going to help us out. And tomorrow we'll have dew points falling into the lower 60s. So we'll be on the pretty low end of the sticky range. By Thursday, still feeling pretty decent, but then by Friday, Saturday, and through the weekend, humidity rises, temperatures rise too. And not only that, when you kind of combine the two, we'll also have heat index values ranging from 95 to 105 degrees. So heat will be returning for the weekend, but in the meantime, we have a short little stretch of some dry and comfortable weather. High around 81 today, mostly cloudy. The sunshine is back for the middle and end of the work week. Temperatures in the lower 80s, but then by Friday and forward, we're back in the upper 80s and lower 90s, and the heat will just be returning as we head through the weekend.